Have you ever stood in front of your wardrobe in the morning, wondering what I wear for work? Formal, casual, or something in between? Let me save you the confusion. Work isn't just a place to achieve career goals. It's also an opportunity to express yourself, and your appearance plays a big role in leaving a good impression. In this video, we'll talk about smart casual work style. This style perfectly blends comfort with elegance, making it ideal for work environments. The AV distract formality while maintaining a professional look. Leisure practically tips, real life example, and even a few tracks that can transform your day. Ready? Let's dive in. What are smart casual work styles? First, let's understand what smart casual look styles really mean. Simple, but it's a mix of comfortable yet elegant clothing. The mean casual is to present yourself in a professional manner that reflects your care for your appearance and work, without the restrictions of overly formal outfits. Smart casual is perfect for modern workplaces in the impressive flexible colors, such as company creative offices, and even same meetings that don't require a suit and tie. This style allows you to express your personality when meeting a professional image. What does style look like? Instead of full suit, you can wear a light blazer with a simple shirt and smart trousers. If you prefer jeans, go for dark blue without any rips or embellishment and pair them with a polo shirt or button-up shirt look. This type of clothing gives you the freedom to choose, but it requires awareness of your surroundings. For instance, for team lens to trousers more casual attire, you can tone down the formal elements. But if you're working with managers or meetings, consider adding a piece that shows presence, like blazer or leather shoes. Tips for styling the smart casual work outfit. 1. Start with the basics. For a successful look, start with style pieces. Imagine having a high quality pair of dark jeans or a clean with button-up shirt. These at times can be mixed and matches with almost anything to create a polished look. Think of pieces you can use multiple ways, like simple blouses or midi skirts. To choose your fabrics wisely. Fabrics say a lot about your look. Cotton and linen are perfect for summer, while light will well works will for colder weather. Comfort as key pieces, you'll spend your entire day in these clothes. 3. A personal touches. There is nothing better than adding a personal touch that reflects your style, whether it's an elegant watch, a leather bag, or even a scarf with unique colors. These small details leave a lasting impression. 4. Corn colors wisely. A gold roll stick to 3 main colors your outfit. Natural twins like white, black, beige, and navy blue add a professional touch. It has to break the resin with a pop of vibrant color and your choose our accessories. 5. Attention to your shoes. Your shoes are more than just an accessory. They complete the look. Choose clean and appropriate footwear, whether it's leather shoes or stylish sneakers. Common mistakes of why. Overrunning the comfort. Avoid comfy casual clothes like sports shirts with loud logos or worn out shoes. Work requires a certain level of professionalism if the dress code license. Flashing colors. Mixing too many contrasting or overly bright colors might give the impression that your colors balance as key. Neglecting detail. Even the most stylish can lose their appeal of they old or unclean. In clothes, assure your appearance is compatible from any angle. Ultimately, the clothes your shoes reflect your personality and style. Smart casual work outfit allow you to express yourself while meeting professionals. Remember, elegance is not just about appearance. It's a feeling that reflects your confidence. Try outfit tips shared today and start bolding. A style that shirt represent you see in other video filled with inspiring tips and ideas.